Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use paddle shifters in your Hyundai Veloster. Paddle shifters give you manual control over your car's gears, offering a more engaging and sporty driving experience. To begin, simply move your gear selector into the manual gate, usually by pushing it to the right. This action activates the paddle shifters, allowing you to take full control of your gear changes. It's a straightforward process that opens up a new way to drive your Veloster. Once in manual mode, upshifting is simple. To shift to a higher gear, pull the paddle on the right side of your steering wheel. You'll want to upshift as your engine's revolutions per minute, or RPM, climb, usually around 3,000 or 4,000 RPMs, depending on your desired acceleration. This ensures smooth transitions and prevents the engine from over-revving. Practicing this timing will make your driving feel much more connected and responsive. Downshifting is just as important for control and performance. To shift to a lower gear, pull the paddle on the left side of your steering wheel. This is particularly useful when approaching a corner, as it helps you slow down using engine braking and prepares you for acceleration out of the turn. Be mindful not to downshift at excessively high speeds, as this could potentially over-rev the engine. Proper downshifting enhances your control and driving dynamics. To truly master your Veloster's paddle shifters, practice is key. Find a safe, open area to get a feel for the timing of your upshifts and downshifts. Experiment with different driving scenarios to understand how they enhance your control and enjoyment. Remember, they're there to give you a more engaging driving experience, whether you're on a winding road or just want a bit more control. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.